Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel HR Talks with Khola. And today I'm not making this video from my home, but I'm in another city. I was traveling and I thought I was a little lazy, so I should skip the video for this week. But then something very interesting comes up when I was discussing the future of workplace with a colleague of mine, and I felt that the current organization that I worked in, I have seen this generation to take over the workplace in present times and in coming times as well. So yes, we are going to talk about Gen Z, the Gen Z in the workplace and the new rules of employee engagement for HR as well. Firstly, I would like to say move over millennials, including myself. Gen Z is here. This is a generation who is here to stay and is definitely going to rewrite the rules as well. But how exactly is this generation going to impact the future of work? And how companies can keep them happy, engaged, and thriving as well? We're going to discuss this in this video and a lot more on this TikTok generation. So stay tuned. First things first, who is Gen Z? Well, born between 1997 and 2012, these digital natives, I would rather say, grew up streaming, scrolling, and swiping on the internet. But don't let the memes fool you, because they are deeply value driven and also demand realness in the workplace. Now let's discuss some engagement rules for HR on how to handle this Gen Z workforce and how to keep them retained. Let's kickstart with the first rule, which is flexibility. Gen Z thrive in an environment which is hybrid and which is remote as well. So gone are the days of 9 to 5 working hours. They demand flexibility at workplace and they want to work smarter instead of harder with the right technology. But I do understand it is easier said than done, and HR really needs to think outside the box and outside the normal working hours and create those jobs which are catering to the individual needs of Gen Z, and also make sure that they understand that at the end of the day, the business also demands high level of productivity, and HR also keep in check the retention as well. For example, the Spotify's policy of work from anywhere, where employees can choose their ideal work setup, and it resulted in higher retention and productivity. But it is something that is not very easy, but HR needs to work on it for Gen Z. Engagement rule number 2, purpose over paycheck. Now let's talk about values. This generation is highly driven by values, and they truly believe that they need a purpose and prefer purpose over just a paycheck. In a global survey, 62% of Gen Z said that they are more interested to work in those organizations who take a stand on social issues. For example, Google's sustainability initiative, Patagonia's activism initiative. These are not just PR stints, but they are clear magnets for Gen Z talent. So, tip for HR: show, don't tell. Loudly tell your company's mission and vision, and be authentic. And do not just use a generic tagline of we value and we practice diversity, but be clear enough to stand by those values, or you're going to be called out by this Gen Z. Talking of being called out, let's move to engagement rule number 3, which is transparency. So Gen Z prefers and appreciate open communication and feedback. Think about it. They literally grew on giving instant rating for their Uber rides, for their Netflix shows. So why would they even wait for a cryptic annual performance review? Take a page from Netflix feedback policy, where they believe in continuous feedback throughout the year and not at a particular time. And it also includes a pro tip for HR. When you are working on a feedback mechanism for Gen Z, make sure to keep it two-way. Like it should have a listening and a speaking angle. You have to listen to them and you have to guide them as well. It cannot go one way. Gen Z is way smarter than that and they expect openness and transparency. Engagement rule number 4, innovation really matters to Gen Z. It is a generation which loves to innovate. Take an example of Adobe's Kickbox program, a program which provides toolkits to employees to create, and to convert their ideas into real projects. It's initiatives like these which really make the Gen Z feel empowered and values. A little pro tip for HR: plan hackathons and innovation challenges. Nothing excites Gen Z more than to show off their skills and maybe even go viral as well. Finally, rule number 5, and my favorite: recognition. Gen Z loves instant gratification. We can blame the social media. So, a quick Slack recognition or a TikTok worthy award ceremony can go a long way. For example, Microsoft use gamification to make engagement and recognition fun and games for the employees. A little HR takeaway: please forget about the annual awards ceremony for recognition only, but make recognition part of the whole year. Recognize great work daily. A little emoji definitely goes a long way with Gen Z. So, my final thoughts: whether it's flexibility, recognition, innovation, or transparency, Gen Z is here to stay, is here to challenge us and make work better for us as well. What do you think about Gen Z and their unique work style? Have you ever experienced them in your current workplace? Or more importantly, if you are Gen Z, I would love to know your comments in my comment section. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.